A for apple. A is for apple. B for bus. B is for bus.
B for bus.
C for cup. C is for cup. D for dog. D is for dog. E for elephant. E is for elephant. F for fish. F is for fish. G for grapes. G is for grapes. H for horse. H is for horse. I for ink pot. I for ink pot. J for jug. J is for jug. K for kite. K is for kite. L for lion. L is for lion. M for monkey. M is for monkey. N for nest. N is for nest. O for onion. O is for onion. P for parrot. P is for parrot. Q for queen. Q is for queen. R for rabbit. R is for rabbit. S for sun. S is for sun. T for tiger. T is for tiger. U for umbrella. U is for umbrella. V for van. V is for van. W for watch. W is for watch. X for Xmas tree. X is for Xmas tree. Y for yak. Y is for yak. Z for zebra. Z is for zebra. प्यारे बच्चों, प्लीज़ मेरा चैनल सब्सक्राइब करें और अच्छे से अपना ख्याल रखें. लव फॉर यू.